The time's come for us to finally get to work on our project level dashboard. Now this is going to be a tool that's going to pull information from all the other tools we've built to date, whether that be information about scheduled tasks coming from our project schedule, information about risks or issues coming off of our RAID log, or any of the other places where we've stored critical information. So to make this especially easy for us to be able to assemble this all into a single view, we're actually going to start by building out a project data sheet that's going to house all the critical information that ultimately we're going to assemble into our dashboard. But first, let's take a look at what the end game looks like for what we ultimately want to have for our project dashboard. This is going to be our template that we're going to use as a build sheet to be able to reference along the way. As we can see that we've got this laid out in such a way that we've got different metrics that are being pulled from different aspects of what we're managing for the different tools that we've already created. This dashboard is going to show us high-level details about where we are from a timeline perspective, as well as the project's health. We've also got information that we're pulling from our RAID log that we recently created, and then tasks for what exactly we're pulling from our project schedule. All right, so now that we have this laid out in a way that makes sense, now it's just an Easter egg hunt to go ahead and pull all the information that we need to so we have it nice and neatly collected right here in one spot. All right, and with that, we're done. We've built out everything that we need here for our project summary data sheet. This is going to make it exceptionally easy for us to not only A, keep track of what exactly we have across all these different other sheets that we've been managing, but also bring it into one single location where we can work with it from there as our source points for what we've got for any of the metrics, any of the roll-up summary statistics, any of the other data points that we're going to be building into the widgets for what we've got for our project level dashboard, which we'll be working on next.